Here's a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trailhawk, 18,000 mile, one owner with a clean Carfax, and a really nice kind of gunmetal gray. The Trailhawk package is really a good looker. It gives you some aesthetics outside as well as some amenities inside we'll get into later. But let's quickly just kind of go over the cosmetic lookup enhancements with this package. It starts with the smoke seal beam headlamp control. You can see the high definition lamp assembly there as well as the LED fogs. You do get a blacked out classic 7-slot Jeep grille. You can see your Jeep badging is also kind of grayed out with the red highlights. You got the flame red tow hooks on the front. You got that big hood decal, as you can see there across the center spline. You also get these nice brushed aluminum face, deep black pocketed multi-spoke alloy wheels, paired on these Goodyear Wranglers, which are 3/4 treader, brother, probably 8, 9, 30 seconds. You also can see a brand new rotor and thick brake pad. That's one thing we really pride ourselves at Thomas. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. You can find the results of that inspection signed out by the technician that performed it in the glove box of all of our cars. I don't know if you got a good look at the red highlighted Grand Cherokee badging. Of course, you got your red trail rated badge there as well. Even the wheels have a nice little red Jeep logo guy in the middle. So they really try to spruce these vehicles up. You get a split suede insert leather bolster. You can see the offset red stitching of the two captain seats. Full console flows in between. A couple little other synthetic and brushed aluminum highlights throughout the dash and center spline, also throughout the door panel here. Also, this vehicle comes equipped with WeatherTechs or factory molded liners for the front. Helps keep it very, very clean. Really a sharp looking vehicle. You also got some embroidery on the seats themselves, and that theme kind of carries itself throughout. Now, this is a large SUV segment, but only a 5-passenger, but you can see very ample leg, hip, and shoulder room for the rear occupants. Also, rear heated seat controls down here, 12-volt power supply, flow through center console to help keep your rear occupants connected and comfortable. Excuse me. Again, matching sport wheel, no scuffs or scrapes. Same depth on the rear tires as well. So continue around to the back, you get a nice deck lid spoiler. Again, all the badging grayed out with the red highlights. Do have a Class 3 tow hitch, with the integrated 4-way flat, 7-way round connector. Let's go ahead and pop. As you can see, you get a nice power lift gate here as well. Another nice amenity. It does have the upgraded Boston acoustic sound with your built-in integrated subwoofer in the back, as you can see. Also, as we open up the little hidey hole here, you can see you do have a full-size spare, all your jack tools that are needed for in case of emergency are back there as well. 60/40 fold down on your rear seat if you need a little more room for cargo. Also the button here for the power lift gate. You can put it right down that way as well. Continue around to the driver's side. Again, matching sport wheel, no scuffs or scrapes, same depth on that Goodrich tire as well, or Goodyear tire as well, excuse me. And as we look in through the rear driver's side, you can see very, very clean interior, no rips, tears, stains, or odors. Previous owner was a non-smoker. Also, as we open up the front here again, just so you full power seat, including lumbar on the driver's side. Also, would like to show you that we do have what we got here. We got your power windows, your power locks. We got your power mirrors. As we continue in, we also got your key here. Now, this is a push button start. I like to show you guys the key. It does have the keyless entry. There's a button for your power liftgate. It does include the factory remote start. Of course, there's your panic button. Just gonna put our foot in the brake, press the start button. Also, I'd like to show you, as this, you see 19,608 original miles. I'd like to show you a copy of the auto history report. One owner, no accidents, as you can see. Let's go ahead and turn the radio down so we can get into the rest of the video. You see automatic headlamp controls. There's a push button for your fuel door. We do have your dimmer for your interiors. We got your intermittent wiper washers, high beams, and turn signals. Also got your control pad for your customizable dash. Now, as you look on this digital dash, there's like the ambient temperature in the upper right-hand corner. You got the compass there in the left. You can customize this dash completely to any of the items you want displayed in the center or on the peripherals. You can do that, as you can see, as I'm toggling through. They're asking me, you know, if I want to Show me my audio controls. You know, there's your instant fuel economy, your average fuel economy, your four-wheel drive steering selector. There we can go through all your different gauges. We can toggle from oil to battery. There's your tire pressure monitoring. So this is all completely customizable. It's really, really cool, controlled by that control panel. Your Bluetooth is below that. Cruise controls to the right. Now this does have the big touchscreen 8.4-inch radio. It is equipped with the AM, FM, and the satellite radio. Also, as we go to controls, does have the heated and the cooled seats, as well as the heated wheel. Let's go to the nav. Does have the nav. Let's go ahead and show you the map so you can see. Equipped with the full factory nav, ability to pair your phone. I mean, it's got it all. We got your audio controls and your climate controls below that. Also, ability to shut off your parking sensors, your auto stop, the ability to put it into econ or sport mode, changing your shift points for either more performance or more fuel efficiency. You also have your traction control. We do have a floor shifter, but you can see you can manually control any of the gears. I believe of the 9-speed automatic this vehicle has. 2 large cup holders. Inside this door is your connectivity. Here's the 2 USB ports, 12-volt power supply, and an audio pre-in. Everything located right there. Now this is your four-wheel drive terrain selector. You can see it's on automatic right now. We can do mud, we can do rock, we can do snow, sand. We can put it into neutral here. Downhill descent control. You do have a low range. Uphill descent control. I mean, you got it all, guys. This is completely customizable. We got the auto dim on your rear view. We got your universal home link, LED map lights, illuminated visors. I mean, if there's anything this vehicle doesn't have, it doesn't have a roof, which a lot of people don't necessarily care for these days. It even has memory seating, as you can see there. It's just loaded up, looks good, full of features. Let's go ahead and pop the hood here. I believe we have a variable valve time V6 engine on this vehicle. Over 300 horsepower of output. Let's take a peek real quick. That is what we have. See, very, very clean. Easy to work on. You do have some accessibility. No exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks, no corrosion on your battery terminals. All your essential fill and checkpoints are denoted with yellow caps or yellow dipstick handles. Very easy to navigate underneath the hood there. Let's shut the car off. Get into the last portion of the video. Last part of the video here, I explained the mechanical evaluation in the glove box, the auto history on the dash. Last part of making informed buying decisions, cosmetic appearance. I'm quickly going to go around, show you any minor imperfections this vehicle may have. However, typically there aren't many. We try to only get the cleanest of vehicles and keep the cleanest of trades. So this should be a pretty quick part of the video, but if I see anything that you should know about, you see a little bit of damage from loading and unloading the cargo there across the top part of that rear bumper fascia. Continue around to the side again, you can see really pretty metallic paint on this. We'll point out any imperfection, but it doesn't look like it has too many. Belt line's good, roof line's good. Both of the passenger door panels are good. Front fender looks fine. Small little chip right here on the A-pillar. But all in all, excellent, excellent shape. A couple little minor chips across the lower portion of the front bumper fascia. Not really many across the hood. The decal's in good shape. A bird decided it wanted to hit us there. But other than that, guys, this is excellent, excellent like new alternative. Save thousands over new. Still does have the remainder of the comprehensive and powertrain warranties transferable to the next owner from Jeep, so you can buy this vehicle with confidence. Now, if you're interested, there's a few ways of getting a hold of us. Look us up on the web at www.thomasata.com. Give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.